Wala bafethu, this is your boy Jazzy labantwana on the spot njalo ningathintekile nehlala ngisabothela. Bafethu nani niyabona, you can see ukuthi Senziba umalume is officially out on both platforms. Ngikhuluma nge-YouTube ne-TikTok. Anyway, thank you to the camera woman or female lengisiza nje manje. Anyway, let's continue. Bafethu, I know ukuthi I am not Beyonce, I am not R. Kelly, all of the famous singers or rappers, whatever, man. But bafethu ngiyacela ningixhaseni ningithandeni ngoba bafethu, you know ukuthi without you guys I won't go to the next level. Ngithanda ngingathandi bafethu. Ngicela wonke ama-Jenks, ama-Cherry, ama-Grace, ama-uncle, especially ama-uncle ngoba le track ngi-relate kubona. Ngicela ukuthi ningisupporteni bafethu. Ngicela ama-timer, ama-OLED, ngizothi ingane zesigela zonke bafethu sondelani. I don't care ukuthi how old are you or how strong are you, yabo. Nese sengikhuluma ngirapper yangithi manje segazini lempahla, but ngiyanicela bafethu, yazi ukuthi kubhlungu kanjani bafethu ukuphushe mase abantu ngoba nakho beyazi ukuthi intwana ye-underground begcine bengayithathi serious, bengagayi support enough bafethu. That doesn't make a guy feel good, and ezinye igcine ijinda lempahla. But mina kulula ukuthi ngijinde lempahla because ihlala ingene ekhanda every time, yabo. So bafethu ngiyanicela Rap Royalty 20 and Jazzy labantwana topic, please iqiniseni support bafethu. Na TikTok ngokunjalo ngicela nishare lena ama-Grizzle enu bafethu, niwa-convince makumele niwaguqele niwenzele itiye, of which is those things are very difficult. Ngiyayicava lezo zinto, yabo. But yenzani kumele nikwenze bafethu, do all the right things like YouTube, subscribe, like, share, comment bafethu. Dansani makumele nidanse, hlanyani makumele nihlanye bafethu, yabo. But into engishoyo ukuthi ngiyayidinga lempahla. And ikanye into uSenziba umalume, in case niyabuza ukuthi why I did him, it's because I was bored, yabo. So I thought, okay, let me compose something. Ngine keyboard la edladleni, yabo. So nginokuyidlala nje if I'm not rapping. That's one of the things that I do, yabo. So ngayi compose la track, sengiyabhema. So mangi compose kanjalo kwafika le chorus lena, kanti vele nginenhlanhla ukuthi nginama studio guys angisizayo. Hayi maybe izoba ngikapela i-beat or sakhuluma ngabo nje. I would like to give a shout out to King Kava na yonke igroup yakhe lapha e-studio bafethu.